How to add follow button on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can add the follow button which you see and not the add friend button on your Facebook profile. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now in this case, I will simply do it with the help of the Facebook Lite application and not the Facebook app itself. I will use Facebook Lite, so if you're on Android, I recommend you switch to Facebook Lite to do this process, and if you're on iOS, I recommend you simply go to facebook.com from your browser or your Safari, because what happens is that when I tried to do it from the Facebook app, a certain option was missing and I wasn't able to locate that option. Just for the easy process, I will show you from the Facebook Lite. So the very first thing we want to do is I will simply go ahead and open the Facebook Lite application on my phone. Let's say, for example, if I go ahead and open the Facebook Lite application, currently I will show you my profile. So let me go to my profile page and I will tap on the three dots and then I will select view as, and as you can currently see that we do not have the follow button. It is still showing add friend and message. So I will show you how you can get the follow button. Now the very first thing we want to do is we want to come back to the main home screen, and from here on the top right hand side you can see those little three horizontal lines, and all you have to do is tap on those three horizontal lines. As you tap on those three horizontal lines, you really want to actually scroll down, and under settings and privacy you'll find this option which says settings. So all you have to do is tap on the settings option. As you tap on settings, there are key differences and some of the key things which you need to customize in order to activate the follow button. So scroll down to this privacy section. The very first thing we will do is tap on this privacy button. So tap on privacy, and under the your activity tab you want to make sure that all of this is set to public, so you can see who can see your future posts, who can see past posts, who can see people pages, and who can see your stories. So make sure it is set to public. The other thing and the main thing you need to do is you can see it says who can send you friend requests. Currently it is set to everyone. We want to tap on it and we want to set it to only friends of friends, because if you don't do this you will not be able to activate the follow button. So make sure you set it to friends of friends. And the other thing you want to do is once you've done all of those which I described, now you want to come back to the settings page and you'll find another option which says public post, and this is where the main setting lies. I will simply tap on public post, and at the very top you can see it says who can follow me. So you can see it is currently set to friends. If you want everyone to follow you, you have to simply tap on the public button which you see. As you tap on public and set it to public, now we are almost done. I will show you whether it has actually worked or not. So I will come back to my home screen and I will go to my profile, and if I tap on the view as button right over here, now you can see if I go ahead and reload it right over here, you can see the follow button has been successfully added to our Facebook profile. And this is how you can actually add follow button on your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.